Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric Trimline desk telephone, and this is Bruce's equipment from CT, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now this telephone has a few issues that we need to resolve. We've troubleshooted this unit a little bit, and we know that there is no polarity protect circuit. So we want to install a polarity protect circuit. This unit has its original line cord, but it was a hardwired line cord. So this telephone was hardwired to a telephone jack. And what we need to do is take that original line cord and install a modular port plug on that original line cord. So we'll take care of that issue. Now Bruce has a transformer to run the light bulb that's in the handset that lights up the keypad. And when we install the modular port plug for the line cord, we will configure the wiring in the line cord so that inside the jack that this unit is plugged into, Bruce can simply wire his transformer to the back of the jack as long as he catches the second pair, and he can run his voltage through that pair. We also need to take a look at the bell. It is not ringing at this time, and we'll troubleshoot further into that issue, and we'll either repair the bell or replace the bell. So we will be troubleshooting the entire telephone while it's in the shop and taking care of any issues that we find. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that we have our telephone connected to a telephone jack, and inside that jack, we also are supplying the voltage that you would need to light the keypad for the telephone. So that's all been taken care of. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and I can press the button and give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. There's our keypad, and it is lit up. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang up our handset. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on a switch box. That will give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, July 16th. The current time, 7:26 p.m. and the temperature, 84 degrees.
Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric Trimline telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Bruce and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.